Right, let me get comfortable in this little chair I've got going on. I need to be up. I don't know, fuck it, we'll just sit like this, guys, you get me? You know, I can't sit on this. I need another chair. Too low down. Right. What's up, guys? It's your boy. Back at you with another video, you get me? For those of you unaware what this YouTube channel is, basically, I've started a woodwork and organics company, and I'm doing this YouTube channel to support that business. We make little handmade crafts and stuff. I've been showing this same example for weeks. But basically, like little planters like this. We've added a couple more products over the last few days, but there's still some stuff which there's still ideas in my head which I've basically got to do, guys. So pretty much that's what I've been doing over the last few days. I've got a list here of all the stuff I got to do today, and there's quite a lot. So a lot of my ideas have been part built and then have come to a standstill because of money and needing like materials and stuff. But today's work, I should be able to complete a lot of this without needing like rope and shit like that. That's gonna cost money. But anyway, guys, basically today's video is just a quick update to basically show you what I've been up to this week, because I've done a bunch of stuff, had a bunch of footage. Some of it's like stuff that eventually will make a full video, and I just thought I'd just cram it all in this video so I've got something to post and you guys can see what we've been up to this week. So basically that's it, guys. I appreciate everyone who's rolled through. I queued a little clip and then I'll be back in a minute. Kind of see the roots there, guys. Alright, guys, this screw's just got fucking stuck and it's bolded. You can purchase it on eBay.
So I've done a tray of the plain green veiny sort of ivy.
I forgot to film my little method, guys.
You're fine.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's quite good.
Yeah. Oh wow, look how green it is.
You don't want to leave your plant like this, because if you do, it's the equivalent of peeling the flesh off a human. Okay, guys, now we've got the cherry morel potentially duplicated for the future, and then there's plenty more trees. We've got apple tree, another apple tree, golden delicios, Granny Smith, because you know everyone knows about the Granny Smith, and then this, I don't know what that is, Diane de Comis, you get me, and a whole bunch more here. Yeah, so basically, guys, that's it. It's been busy, but at the same time I still haven't had my first Etsy sale or eBay sale. I've sold a couple things on my eBay, because the eBay, which is now in the link will be in the description from now on, guys. But basically it's still got like all the rest of my eBay stuff on there. So like I used to sell just normal shit, like I don't know if you can see the shelves in the back, but just used stuff. So today I sold like a welding mask and just clearing out all my old stuff, trying not to die of starvation. But yeah, still no Etsy sale, guys, and this is the Etsy store. I think it's looking kind of cool. Like I don't know to be honest, guys, other than to keep going. We're getting traffic, but I just basically need to figure out a way to convert that traffic into sales, and I'm hoping doing YouTube will help build rapport with the audience, you get me? So it's basically, it's just hoping and praying at this point, guys. So if I'm doing anything wrong, if anything needs improvement, I'd appreciate any feedback on the Etsy or the eBay store. Just let me know. I'm all ears, and I'm always like ready to learn when it comes to making money. Other than that, guys, on the home front, dead broke, but I found like a a part-time job basically, which essentially will increase to more hours. It's really close to where I live. Recently, for like the last better part of a year, I've been doing like bartending work, so like working behind in a pub. You get me? I don't even really drink alcohol, so it's a bit of a mismatch, but it's kind of a relief to the jobs I had prior where I just kept getting fired on repeat, working in factories. So anyway, it's in another pub near me. It's like fucking 16 hours a week, but it's just enough so the government will still help me. And that weren't on purpose. I want more hours, but I just, beggars can't be choosers, and I've applied for some more jobs, so I'm hoping I can, with that job, and also it pays weekly, so with that job it will just keep postponing the inevitable starvation, and then hopefully I can get another job to support that job, and hopefully Etsy will build up, and hopefully life just flourishes, you get me? But other than that, guys, I just wanted to do a real quick update because I find it hard with these videos. I'm learning to like what type of style of video to do, because I could just like sit in the garden and talk, but we got to try stuff in it. So I appreciate anyone anyway. I just want to keep this one real quick because today I'm going to post again. I basically got some aloe vera plants. They're not in here right now. I took them downstairs, guys, but I want to... they need potting up, but I kind of want to like try and propagate the leaves, like do some leaf cuttings off the aloe plant. I don't know. Last time I tried it, I didn't go to plan. But anyway, I appreciate everyone who's rolled through. And other than that, subscribe to the channel if you want to. And thanks for supporting. Check out the eBay store, check out the Etsy store, and hopefully we'll have something interesting coming pretty soon. Alright guys, I'll catch you in the next one.